Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we will learn how to complete firearm mission. So only we have to use DP28 gun and buy this material attachment, and we will play Livic for easier and just landed in Blomster futsal ground where we found lots of tokens, and we will get tokens too by the scoring. Only we have to do this playing footballs and score, and you will get a lot of tokens. After collecting these all tokens, we will go shop and buy DB28 if you don't have DB28 guns, and also buy the attachment. Don't use other scope, only use red or hollow. Keep trying this until your mission will complete, guys. Hope you guys like this video. We will see you soon, guys. Bye bye, take care.